Are you ready to dive into the world of Java programming? Let's get started. Java is a powerful programming language that is widely used in software development. It is known for its simplicity and versatility. In Java, everything is an object. This means that you can create objects that represent real-world entities and manipulate them using Java code. Java syntax is designed to be easy to read and write. This makes it a great language for beginners to learn. Java is a popular programming language known for its unique features and characteristics. Java's object-oriented nature allows for modular and reusable code. Java's platform independence makes it a versatile language for developing applications. Java's robustness and security features ensure that applications built with Java are reliable and secure. Java's standard library makes it easy for developers to build powerful applications with minimal effort. Java's versatility and flexibility make it a popular choice for building applications in industries such as finance, healthcare, and education. Welcome to Java Ecosystem Tools, where we showcase the most commonly used tools in the Java ecosystem. The Integrated Development Environment (IDE) is a powerful tool that simplifies the development process by providing a comprehensive environment for coding, debugging, and testing. The Build Automation tool is a time-saving tool that automates the process of building, testing, and deploying Java applications. The Dependency Management tool simplifies the process of managing dependencies in Java projects by automatically downloading and managing the required libraries. The Application Server is a powerful tool that provides a runtime environment for Java applications, allowing them to run smoothly and efficiently. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.